Let me introduce you to my many animated friends that were either created from simple shapes from scratch or converted from existing artwork to a talking characters with movement. Yes, they all can walk and talk too. Let us teach you a very in-demand marketable skill.
I was lying around as a flat piece of artwork until someone decided to animate me. My voice was added with text-to-speech software. All software you'll learn is available in both free trial and premium formats. Learn to earn today how to create talking character ads like this one.
I was getting bored being part of someone's print ad until I was animated and given a voice. Just like all my animated friends, we have been freed from the boring way of doing video ads and video shorts. So learn today and bring life to your next video ad or short.
Hello, I'm Lucy. Don't you just love me? You're watching this video, so I guess we got your attention. Learn how to get the attention of your target audience with engaging talking characters like me, plus get access to over 50 artwork files to animate and make walk and talk today.
Well, this is really cool. Now I have a voice. Now I can talk, run and move. This is totally awesome. Come learn a new software skill and work smart online. Learn today how to animate characters like me. You'll be amazed how simple this is to do.
I do my hair flip, check my nails. Baby, how you doing? You can learn today how to animate an artwork file like me. Make me walk, talk and flip my hair. Build creative talking character ads like this to drive traffic and engage your target audience. Your success is our success.
Hello, I am Frank. Come learn how to animate me along with over 50 of my artwork friends. Bring life to us, make us move, dance, jump, run and walk and talk. Plus all the artwork files are included. Learn a marketable skill today.
Thanks again for watching. Let's get you started learning today. Head over to animatedads.monster and take advantage of our amazing summer sale. Remember, nothing happens if you don't take action and get animated. Enjoy your day.